what to do when there's a fire. First thing you must do is shout for a help and find a fire exit. And if you catch by a fire, you must stop, drop, and roll, and then go in the safety place and call the Bureau of Fire. What are the steps during earthquake, or what to do when there's an earthquake? First, if you are in the indoor, you must drop, cover, and hold, and stay inside, and drop under a heavy furniture, example like a table or a dish or bed, so that they can cover you and to prevent being hit by the falling object, and hold on the object that you are under so that you remain covered. And then and then after earthquake, you must go outside and find an area that it's safe. Things to do after an earthquake: check yourself and others for an injury, turn on the radio, and stay out of the damaged buildings, and be careful around the broken glass and debris. Stay away from the bench and stay away from the